Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Gumtree. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you have logged in and ended up into your homepage, if you wish to report an ad, you will simply need to search for this ad first. You can use the search box or the category menu in order to look for the particular ad that you wish to report. Once you find this ad, open it up and you will see the report button at the right side. Click on the drop-down menu and you will be asked to provide the reason for reporting. Just choose whichever reason you are reporting this for. And if you wish, you can also provide additional information within the text box. After entering all of your information, click on the send report button and this will send your report to the support team. Once they have evaluated this report, you will get a response regarding this post. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to report an account or a poster or an ad on your Gumtree account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.